Imagine making up to $500 or even more per day just by suggesting videos on YouTube. Sounds incredible, right? Well, there's a specific category of videos that not only skyrocket in popularity, but also bring in serious cash. We're talking about K-dramas. Now, you might be wondering, wait, K-dramas? Aren't they just for entertainment? Well, let me tell you, creating K-drama videos is not only fun, but also highly profitable. And guess what? I've discovered a secret technique to get more views on these videos, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's dive into this together. Just imagine having a YouTube channel solely dedicated to suggesting the best K-dramas out there. One such channel is My Drama List. Want to know how much they're making? Social Blade estimates their earnings at almost $300 per day. But here's the thing, these estimates tend to be lower than the actual earnings. So this channel could be making 2, 3, or even 4 times more than the estimate. In today's video, I'll reveal the secrets behind making these videos and show you how to make them go viral. Yes, I said viral. First things first, let's understand what K-dramas are and how you can create engaging suggestion videos. K-drama is short for Korean drama, a genre of television series originating from South Korea. These series have gained immense popularity not only in Korea but worldwide, thanks to streaming platforms like Netflix. Creating these suggestion videos is easier than you might think. They consist of 3 main components: the script, the voiceover, and visuals. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, so you'll be able to create your own video from scratch. But wait a second, I know there's some debate about whether these type of videos can be monetized. Let me assure you, they absolutely can if done correctly, and I'll share a secret trick to find out if a channel is monetized or not. For instance, if we visit a channel and right-click anywhere on the page, we can select View Page Source to access the source code. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. By searching for the word monetization, we stumble upon a line of code that says, "Is monetization enabled?" If the value is true, the channel is monetized. If the value is false, that means the channel is not monetized. Most of these similar channels are monetized, so you absolutely can monetize your videos. Stick around to discover the secrets of successful monetization done the right way. Now let's talk about finding the perfect topic for your K-drama videos. You can turn to ChatGPT or simply do a quick Google search for K-drama suggestion video ideas. ChatGPT generates fantastic video ideas that you can explore, or you can draw inspiration from other successful channels. However, remember to create original content and avoid copying others word for word. Once you've chosen a topic, move on to preparing your script. You can use ChatGPT to generate a script by typing the prompt "Generate YouTube video script for top 10 must-watch K-drama of all time." However, it's crucial to verify the content by cross-referencing it with reliable sources. Add your personal touch and unique insights to make the script truly engaging. Now comes the exciting part, recording the voiceover. Using AI-generated voices can cause issues with YouTube monetization. So my suggestion is to use your own voice. It adds authenticity and viewers love connecting with real people. If you're not confident about your voiceover skills, you can always hire a professional voiceover artist from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for just $5. The final piece of the puzzle is the visuals. You can source them from various places including Google, drama trailers, promotional videos, and other free sources on the internet. However, make sure you use public domain photos and videos that are copyright-free. Additionally, ensure your video falls under fair use by creating a unique presentation that distinguishes it from the original work. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's fair use policy for a clear understanding. Moving on to video editing, let me introduce you to a fantastic free tool, Canva. Although you can use other software if you prefer, Canva makes the process incredibly easy. Once you have gathered all the necessary audio, videos, and photos, import them into your editing software's timeline. Align the script with the visuals, running on the screen, creating a seamless and captivating experience for your viewers. Coming in at number 10, we have The Heirs. This classic K-drama features a star-studded cast and tells the story of privileged high school students grappling with love, friendship, and family secrets. Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions in this heartwarming and captivating series. So far, we've covered the entire process of creating fantastic K-drama suggestion videos. But what if your videos struggle to gain views? Fear not, as I'm about to reveal a secret that will significantly boost your viewership. The key to getting more views on your YouTube video lies in the title and thumbnail. Believe it or not, no matter how great your video is, a poor title and thumbnail can significantly impact its success. Let's examine two videos from the same creator. One video has only 8.7k views, while the other has an impressive 1 million views. What sets them apart? By comparing the two side by side, we can identify crucial distinctions. Take a closer look and try to notice the difference. The video on the left has some detrimental mistakes. The thumbnail is confusing, the targeted audience isn't clear, and the chosen image fails to spark curiosity. On the other hand, the successful video tells a different story. Its thumbnail is filled with emotion and curiosity, and it clearly connects with the audience. So how do you achieve this? It's all about triggering curiosity and emotions with your title and thumbnail. These elements entice viewers to click and watch your video. To illustrate this, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching thumbnail using Canva. Log into your Canva account, click on Create a Design, search for YouTube thumbnail, and select the template. The best part? You can even do all this on your phone using the Canva app. Upload the image you want to use for your thumbnail and drag it onto the canvas, making sure it covers the entire space. By default, the image might already have some contrast, but we'll further enhance it. Click on Edit Image and experiment with the contrast settings. Canva's Auto Enhance feature works wonders, bringing balance and natural vibrancy to the colors. Once you're satisfied, apply the changes. It's time to add bold text. Since we're focusing on the top 10 must-watch K-dramas of all time, let's create text that says, "Must watch before you die." Adjust the text to make it as attention-grabbing as possible. Now you have an amazing-looking thumbnail filled with emotion and curiosity. It will undoubtedly attract more viewers compared to a dull thumbnail. All that's left is to upload your video, rinse and repeat the process to create consistently engaging content. Before we wrap up, I have an exciting bonus for you. If you want to learn how to create a faceless channel using only AI, check out the video visible on the screen. It's an exciting method worth exploring. Thank you for watching, and until next time,